Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing, my name is Ahmad Al-Hasir from Economics Education Study Program 2A. Here I want to collect English was a segment in the form of videos. Discussion page 81. Comment on the following statement. In your opinion, are they important, helpful, or unhelpful for a successful presentation? Number 1. Tell a jokes at the beginning. It seems that tells joke in the beginning of the presentation is not the importance because our goal the presentation is convey actual information, not just entertaining other people. Number 2, speak more slowly than you normally do. Regarding the volumes on speak in the times of presentation in should to be allowed to use a slower or faster volumes because it can make in difficult or in the audience to shift the material. We recommend and of the volume to speak at the time of presentation should be moderate. Number 3, smell a lot. It is also not good when our presentation smells a lot. Of course, it will have a bad impression on the audience. Number 4, involve the audience. Successful presentation, one of them as a factor, namely involving the audience because it can lift up the atmosphere of the presentation to be more active. Number 5, invite question during the presentation. Surely when the presentation is finished, there will be a question and answer session, which in the session emphasizes the audience to ask question of the what has been explained by the presenter can be asked again if it still not understood by the audience. Number 6, always keep to your plan. Following the plan that have built most the take presented over anything else, because when we want to make a presentation there must be something called planning to summarize the course of the presentation. Number 7, move around during your presentation. One way to make our presentation run conducive and interesting is to move during the presentation because in case for it it's one gram of view from the audition and not be too monotonous when we are just sitting in place during the presentation. Number 8, use a lot of gestures to emphasize important points. The importance of using body gesturing to emphasize important points the presenting because it is one of presentation delivery strategies so that what in is conveyed including important point at the time of presentation by the presenter can be easily critiqued by the audience. Number 9. Read out your presentation from a script. When presenting, you should read the script or text at the course so that the topics discussed are clear and not out the education. Number 10. Stand up when giving your presentation. A good step when presenting in the presenter. Stand delivering the material and put more emphasis on the point in the presentation so that the audience understand and escape in the more easily. This question, page 99. What will do you? What will do you? Number 1. If you saw two colleagues having an argument, immediately break up those who are wasting, and then have to solve the problem they have by clearing them. Number 2. If a colleague criticizes you, accept the criticism if it is my fault, and first review the criticism in the good for me will be accepted and vice versa. Number 3. If you saw colleague delay something, give effort to them that before it not good to do when your advice is not hit or can be said to be simple in ignorant it and he still the only way is report to your suppress on the authorities. Number 4. If your boss never listen to your ideas, maybe at them I still don't have the inspiration or idea to solve a problem or project, so that automatically and that is no cause they still cause the employee ideas. Number 5. If your boss asks you to work until midnight, it must be asked first. Is the job so important that I have to work until midnight, or vice versa? If the job if the job is really important, I am will to work until midnight overtime to get the job done, and moreover it does for the good on the company. More or less apology, sir. Thank you so much. Akhirul kalam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.